Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Chat GPT application. But first I just wanted to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So in Chat GPT, you can basically have a conversation with an AI chat member. So you can ask questions and you can send them, for example, what is the weather like today in Debrecen? And yeah, so for that they cannot provide an answer, but you can just chat with it on basic topics. And if you click on these three dots at the top of the page on the right, you can manage the chat. You can here see the settings. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.